Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change your Instagram password. Okay, let's start. Open your Play Store and update Instagram. My Instagram already update. Click open. Click to profile icon. Click three dot. Click to account center and scroll down. Click password and security. Click change password. Click your Instagram profile. Enter your current password. Enter your new password. Enter your retype new password. Click change password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.